Hello, hi to everyone. Today's concept is command line arguments. I want to discuss on command line arguments. What is a command line arguments? That means you are just giving values before compilation. That means you are giving values before, when not in the program or on the console screen. You are just passing the arguments. What is the first step you have to create? Go to the file, new Java project. My project name is command. Click on next. Next, finish. I want to do program of area of rhombus. Okay. I want to right click here, new class. Here class name is command. Click on main method, finish. Your package name is command and class name is comp. I already told in the previous classes the starting letter will be in uppercase for class name. Now what you have to do? So you need to apply the command line arguments. Directly write the code in the main method. Double d1 is equal to double dot pass double. You need to give here args 0. I want to explain in this line primitive data type is double because I can take the decimal value and I'm going to read that value. Initially it is a string value. Now you are going to read the double value where Java compile can understand. You can access the first index value 0. That is double d2 is equal to double dot. Again you need to access the second one, aux1, and double area is equal to 0 point. Even into d2. And the shortcut to print for the system.out of is outspace. The shortcut for to print system.out of printer is sys out control space. Here you are going to store in the variable area. I want to print the variable area. See, overall, I am going to explain again. First of all, you have to create the package, class name, main method, and the formula for area of number is half into d1 into d2. Okay, and next you are going to read each and every argument using using pass double. Okay, this is the way you have to read the arguments. Now, next step is click. Suppose you are not giving any arguments. What you have to do if args dot length less than 0, provide arguments. Click on run configurations, and you need to check the main method first to pass the arguments. So what's our project here? So you are not having, then what you have to do, immediately go to the project explorer, click on run as Java application. Okay, here you are not, you won't get, why? Because you did not pass any arguments. For this reason, what you have to do, run configuration. Now you can see the command. Okay, this is the package name and this is the class name. And the very important step to execute command line arguments is go to the arguments tab, give some two values, some 3.4 and 5.6 like that. Click on apply and run. One second. 9.52. You have to multiply those values and divide by 2. Then you'll get a 9.52 as result. For your more clarity, you can write like this way. Okay. Area is. Okay. Already saved, and I can run this program, give some values. Click on run configurations. If you want to change the value, give another value. For example, give 1 space 1. 1 into 1 by 2, how much you have to get? Yes, 0.5. This is the concept of the command line arguments. The main important thing is parsing. You need to pass each and every index value. Then only you will going to consider those arguments. This is the concept of the command line arguments. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Please go through this program once again. Okay, I hope you are benefited with this. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more updates, and each and everyone is going to get benefited.